now, moving on. Its Chinese abend belong. Philosophy's areas is usually the Stauberfine building. It's building that I believe there's some British rival notice. It's closed. For now gone, let's go building 30. I believe there's an old mascot. It's closed. It's building 15. Believe there's a noises. It's not the nicest, stupid generic. It's closed. It's building 70. Believe there's something vintage disappointment. Well, it's closed. So now, building 90. Believe there's a stupid generic. This noise is just stupid generic. Lift air. After the few million stupid generic for these kids. Boom! So methane. For methane living a stupid generic. Please mind the doors. Doors closed. Let's go in out.
Planta 5.